Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the microphone on any of your Nest camera devices. Hey smart home enthusiasts, my name's Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler. So let's get into disabling that microphone. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the device or camera that you want to disable the microphone or audio recording features on. You're going to select that device, and then in the top right hand corner you're going to click the gear icon. Then you're going to scroll down to device options. The third option down says microphone, so we're going to select that. And then here you're given the option to entirely turn off the microphone, which would turn it off both in live recording as well as in audio clips or clips that you're watching back. Or you have the option to just disable audio recording. That way you can still hear people that are talking to you through your door. You can either disable the audio recording and leave the microphone on, or if you disable the microphone, it will remove the audio recording option because the microphone is off. So that is how you do that. The camera will have to take a second to reboot. We'll see here, it looks like mine is currently restarting. But once that happens, your microphone should be disabled. If you're looking for more how-to videos for different Nest devices, I encourage you to check out this playlist. Also, if you're wanting to learn some smart home basics, then I'm going to put that in a playlist here below. And if you haven't already subscribed, click the subscribe button. We'd love to see you back in a future video. Thanks and have a wonderful day.